As everyone knows, ISSA Show North America 2022 in Chicago is coming up soon, October 10th through 13th. And today with me, I'm pleased to welcome Jennifer Kitt, the CEO at the Kitt Institute. Hi, Jennifer.
How are you? I am so excited to be here today.
Glad to have you and looking forward to your presentation at the show, which is why we're here to talk about that.
Yes,
Lots of education opportunities, and yours sounds interesting. Your presentation, Jennifer, is leading from the inside out.
absolutely. Today, right? Many people, I think, are sleeping on or not utilizing the most powerful weapon that we have within our arsenal as humans, and that is our emotions. Emotions have gotten such a dirty rap that I want to change the entire way that we think about it. When you think about leading groups, leading your organization, leading your lives, leading your businesses, you feel something. And I would love to bring a fresh, powerful, practical take on what that looks like in our everyday business world.
So it sounds interesting and a big project, I imagine, to accomplish all that. But you say you're going to make it happen. That sounds great. Share some highlights of what we can expect at your session.
Well, there's a couple of different highlights. Understanding what authentic leadership looks like, leading from the inside out, will definitely give you insight into that. But on a more practical level, leading inside out is a very engaging way to begin to think about how you show up emotionally. We'll be taking our emotion GPA, and I know for a fact many people have not. It's been a long time since many of us have been in school to actually grade what our emotions look like in a very practical sense in our lives in several key areas. We'll be doing a green light, red light. You have to be in the session to find out what green light, red light means, but it definitely ties to how we engage with the people that we are working with every single day and our clients and even those closest to us in our family. And we're also going to be strategizing and creating a regulation, an emotion regulation game plan so that you're leaving with absolute practical ways in order to be able to do what you want to do, which is build your emotional intelligence and be that emotionally intelligent leader. And yes, we are going to do all of that in the time that is allotted, I promise.
I think it's an hour-long session.
Yes, it is an hour-long session. Do not be daunted by what I have talked about because, well, I'm a mom of four, raised four kids, and we can get it done. We can get it done. It's going to be fast. It's going to be engaging. It's going to be enlightening. And I think people will also get the opportunity to reflect on what it looks like when they show up in their lives, men or women. This is not by any means gender specific.
Okay. From your energy, this is why they put you on the after lunch schedule, the 1:30 spot. So
I know. And as a speaker, I'm like, oh, but I bring it. I bring it.
I
If
can
you
tell.
bring it, it will be brought.
Great. Jennifer, last question. As people leave your session, as they walk out, what's going to be in their head as to what they're going to do? What is the game plan for them?
That is such a great question. Leaders that have gone through Leading Inside Out with me immediately, I don't know if this is even safe to say, they go back to the people that they love. And they are either saying, I'm sorry, or here's how I'm going to do better, or here's how we can be better. And then as leaders, they are able to show up in the workplace the very next day with a fresh perspective and outlook, energy, motivation, but most importantly, information that they can use to be better, to feel better, to think better, to lead better. All of these things, they're not hype. It is not hype because once we understand who we are, once we understand how our emotions function, we are then able to control them and move them and manage them in a way that makes life better. That's the goal.
So no coffee required to attend Jennifer Kitt's session on Monday,
None.
October 10th, 1:30 p.m. at ISSA Show North America. Jennifer, I'll see you there.
Thank you.
much.